Hello friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we are going to see how to make ramen noodle soup, a perfect recipe to enjoy during the winters that's brimming with flavors and can be customized to your taste. So friends, let's get started with this delicious homemade ramen noodle soup. So for my ramen soup, I have taken here some carrots which has been cut into strips or strands, some broccoli cut into small florets, 2 to 3 bok choy stalks. You can of course include any other veggies of your choice. And here in this plate I have taken 3 slices of chicken salami which has been grilled, some green spring onions chopped diagonally, 1 egg which I am going to soft boil it, and these will be used for garnishing and as toppings of our ramen soup. Then here I have taken some peas and sweet corn, the white part of spring onions, 2 to 3 garlic pods which has been chopped finely, and ginger which has been cut into strands. So for my ramen soup, I'll be using Nissin's brand top ramen, which are wavy flat noodles. And before starting with the cooking process, we are going to make a spicy and sour sauce. For that, take a bowl and into it I'll be adding some oyster sauce, say around 1 tablespoon. There is no fixed measurement in the making of this sauce. You can adjust according to your taste and spice level. Next goes 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Schezwan sauce, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. This is sesame oil, adding around 1 teaspoon of it. Now mix this well so that all the ingredients combines well, and our spicy and sour sauce is ready. And now we shall start with the cooking process. So I have heated some water in this saucepan, and now I will add little bit of salt. Next add the bok choy stalks in the hot water, and we will blanch them for just 1 minute. Time to take them off. And in the same water I will add 2 packets of noodles. And we'll let them cook till they are tender, but do not overcook them. So these are ready. I'll turn off the flame, drain off the water and rinse the noodles with running cold water. Next add around 1.5 teaspoon of oil in a pot or wok. And when the oil is hot, add the minced garlic, ginger strands and the white part of spring onions. Saute them for a while. Next goes the carrot strips and the broccoli florets, and we need to saute them well for at least 2 minutes as they take time to get cooked. And now I will season them with 1/4 teaspoon of salt as per taste and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix this well. And now goes the sweet corn, peas, and the blanched bok choy. Stir them well. As I said in the beginning, we can customize the ramen soup, so you can add veggies of your choice, can add mushrooms, tofu, chicken chunks or even pork. So make your choice here. Now I will add some water. Increase the flame to high, and when the water comes to a boil, we'll get a nice flavorful vegetable stock. So by now our vegetable stock is ready. Next goes the spicy and sour sauce which we had prepared. I have added 3 tablespoons of it. Give this a good mix. And now time to drop the boiled noodles into the hot and sour veg soup. Mix this well. And we will let the noodles simmer in the soup for hardly just 1 minute. So our ramen soup is almost ready. Finally, I will add the green spring onions. That's it. Our ramen soup is now ready to be served hot. And friends, here goes our hot and delicious ramen noodle soup. I do hope you will try this recipe and enjoy with your family during the winters, as it's such a comfort food besides being healthy. I will now place the grilled chicken salami on the sides like this, and the soft boiled egg to enjoy with our ramen soup, and finally garnish with some more green spring onions on top. That's it. So friends, do try this recipe soon. Also do share your feedbacks in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more interesting and yummy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.